Okay, good evening, friends. We are 5 minutes past 4. Sorry, you're a little late. So, here we are in Asnara, which is our home for rehabilitating homeless street people. Uh, it's on a hillock. Uh, it is owned by St. Michael's Trust, and today we are going to see how these people once upon a time. Tell them to get ready, yeah, in the hall. These people once upon a time, how they were on the streets, and how they were in alcohol, how they were in depression, how they were lost. Beautiful place, the only excellent place to stay on a hilltop. Uh, we are the only inhabitants of this hillock. Uh, uh, yeah, this side is the chapel, a closed chapel, and this part is the rehabilitation. We do it on the ground floor, and I'm going to show you the view of the building. So from here you can see multiple villages, multiple places. Okay, you can see about 25-30 villages of Goa. It's fully on CCTV. The entire operation which takes place in this house is on my mobile. This is the closed chapel of Saint Michael, and you can see the church down. I'll zoom it. That is the church of Saint Asnara Church, and here we are. All. So we are going to enter the place now, and we will talk to people who hello. नहीं by mistake डायल किया, wrong number. Sorry. So अरे सर को दूसरा डाला मतलब हाँ good good evening. So yes sir, okay. So different type of people. Put a mask down. Different type of people here. कितने यहाँ? 25. So there are 25 men here. I can recognize, and I'll tell you stories about few of them who I know. So this guy is Raju. He's from Coimbatore. How long you are there? How long are you? 12 months. So Raju has been staying in. What's your problem now? Okay, this hand is paralyzed of his. I remember Raju when he came one day at 12 o'clock in the night with the cops. And who's that guy? Who's this guy? Yellappa. कैसा है? No? Huh? I'm not talking. 1 second. Orlando. सांग रे. Asking what asking. What's your name? What's his name? Are Anthony. How are you, man? Anthony has been with us for a very long time. Anthony is from Old Goa, no? Old Goa. Fatte. को आहे तो फट्टे हॅज अरे दाखव दाखव तो पाव दाखव बाय बाबा हां सो फट्टे हॅड अ मेजर प्रॉब्लम विथ हिज लेग ही वॉज फट्टे कितें जालें तुका सांग व्हडल्यान सांग कितें जालें तुका पांयाक घाव घाल सी मात सकयल घाल मात सकयल घाल तुजो मात सकयल घाल सो कितले वर्सां तूं पणजे आसलें फस्ट थिंगा झाडा पंचाक ना तूं कितले म्हयने थिंगा न्हिदतालो रे 2 म्हयने Anyway, so Fatte's leg was totally bad. If you go to our Facebook page, you will see now it's much better. This guy is Bernard. Bernard is from Kusalardu, Majad. Also another person who made a lot of trouble in his own village, but now he's much better. This is somebody very interesting. Baba, what's your name? Huh?
Karan say no.
What's his name?
Karan, no. Karan, but we give name Deni, no.
तुम्हारा नाम क्या है? Karan. So this gentleman is from Karnal, Haryana. When he came, when we found him, he was totally depression, mixing. Now, according to what I understand, I'm seeing him regularly. He is much better. He works in the kitchen. He spoke to his sister on the phone, who says, please don't send him back because she won't be able to look after him. Are this is Walter. We want it. Baba, sang.
Manlatta.
Ma?
Manlatta गाड़ी.
हाँ क्या लगता है? कौन सा लग रहे तुम? किधर गए तुम? क्या हुआ? हाँ आइकन है ना? एक बात है जैसा आइकन ऐसे बादरा no speaking much. This guy is Pobres. He is from Kusala to? No way. दिलीप from ये कौन है दिलीप किधर है?
ये मडगांव से है.
मडगांव क्या हुआ रे? क्या हुआ तुमको? बात नहीं करते?
बात करते हैं.
नाम क्या तुम्हारा?
नाम बोलो नाम.
Deepak हाँ Deepak Mehra. He is from Punjab. We had picked him up outside GMC. He was in pathetic condition in the rain and in the soil. And this gentleman, our old friend, Mr. Anthony from Sholim, he can't do much about it. Mr. Timothy from Kolwale, having family but nobody making masti. And this is our old friend who does not like. Asre maso, as mare, smile di mare, Christmas father. Everybody will remember him from Panjim. Yeshwant from? Huh? Taligaon. This fellow is DeCosta, and this fellow is Mr. Das, old man. He speaks a language which we don't understand. And Lakshmi, आपको 3 साल हो गया. क्या हुआ तुम्हारे 3 साल में? Lakshmi is from Bangalore. He's with us last 3 years, and when we found him, he had long beard. He was sleeping in the garbage. And okay, good guy. What on?
Raja.
Huh? Raja? From? किधर गए तुम? From Belgaum. क्या उसको?
उसका प्रॉब्लम.
हाँ, okay. और ये कौन?
ये लक्ष्मी इसका नाम मडगांव से है. मडगांव से लक्ष्मी.
Lakshman. What happened to you?
मडगाम का है.
किधर का है? Original.
मडगाम का है.
हाँ. गोयंकार तो?
गोयंकार म्हणजे आता सध्या गोयंकार ज्याला मला खूप वर्ष झाले पोर्तुगीज टाकलं.
आणि फॅमिली काय तुझी?
माझी फॅमिली सगळी कोण ना आता सगळे
मेले. आणि घर तुझे?
माझे घर ते कुंदापूर म्हणतात.
कुंदापूर. मग केलं तुका?
कर्नाटक.
बेस्ट ओल्ड.
मग पडलो.
ओल्ड. ओके. आणि हो? Monty, yes. He was brought from Ponda. No? You were in Ponda, no? 2 months back he was brought from Ponda. And what one? Gangaram, plumber.
Yeah.
Was he plumber in the mouth? He's not doing any work. Huh?
Yes.
Gangaram, no?
Yeah.
तुका फादरीन हाडला न्हू? Father had brought him, and here we have.
दीड वर्ष झालं ना, मीच सांगितलं.
What?
चांगलं झालं ना, ते
Yeah, yeah.
कांदे तुम्हाच ना.
थोडं
What's your name? Abhijit. Okay. And this gentleman is who? Where is gone?
ते याला पहा.
Ah, okay. And here we have Asim. Asim, sit there. So, who is not happy here? Who is not happy staying here? Okay, who is happy staying here? Put your hand up. Put your hand up. Whoever is happy, how many hands you can see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, okay. Those whose hands are not up, we understand that their mind is not working. But the person who I would like to emphasize is this gentleman. Just 1 minute. The guy with the white head. Fakira, put your hand up. Yes. Extreme depression case. You all have seen him in Panjim for many years, here, there, everywhere. Masu over up here. Fakira, masu over up. Ya chola nahi anga. Must have been in depression for many years. Today he understands, he listens, he responds. रागा रे आमचेर तूं कितें म्हणटा तूं बरं राव गोट मार तूं कितें म्हणटाय रागा तिडकेन को दिसता म्हाका तूं हॅपी नाय आं सी आनी कितें म्हणटा कितलो वर्सां जालें तूं आतां आमचे कडेन रावताय 2 वर्सां सारकें सांगलें तुवें म्हणजे तकली चलता तुजी आतां बरो नॉर्मल जालें तूं माहीत जालें तेजो भाव येयलो मरे तुका पळोवपाक कितें म्हणालो नुस्तें नुस्तें दी मरे तेका कूक कोण रे हांगा हू इज द कूक बापरे हेका दी मरे नुस्तें हाडटा मरे बरें हांव धाडटा नुस्तें बरें कसलें धाडूं बरें बांदलेलें काय कोडयेन रे हाँ बरें चलो ठीक है धाडटा हांव ओके लक्ष्मी तुमको अभी 3 साल हो गए हाथ ऊपर डाल दो क्या हुआ तुमको हाँ तो वो देख मरे सुधर गया मरे वो सुधर गया देख मरे कैसा भाई इधर लक्ष्मी See, these guys have been on the streets for many years and अरे इधर रुक इधर ये ऐसा रुक इधर उधर रुको तो किधर गए तुम हाँ हाँ इधर का नहीं तुम किधर गए बेंगलोर कौन सा गांव हाँ कौन सा गांव कौन सा गांव कौन सा एरिया चलो बेटर so this is how okay you talk to them I'm coming this is how Street Providence has been trying to get people out of depression. I feel happy when I see that fat man Christmas father, his name is Fakira. Like, he was on the street for many years and a lot of people have seen him. And we have plain rooms, simple rooms where they sleep with mats. We don't have a great infrastructure. We just live a simple life with them. Okay, a great place where they sit and see television, a corridor, green areas outside. So it's the greenery also which plays a major role. It's the coolness of the temperature, and it's a great environment in this. So sorry, I'm back again. We lost the connectivity because in some places here there is no connectivity. They have all the facilities here. There's washing machines for the clothes. There's we have a solar. We have a come put your slippers and come. We have a solar. They have a TV. They have cable, and it's okay for us at this stage where we are, because this is not our place. We are just using it from St. Michael's Trust. It's okay place. So Walti, I want you to tell something about yourself. So this gentleman here, how long now you have come back to us?
It's already after 4 months.
Yeah, but first, before that.
Before that, I was here only, sir.
Then tell us something.
First, I was in the street.
Street program.
Yeah.
Streets, on the streets.
Yes,
Yeah.
on the street.
Then
after, they all brought me over here.
that is now. But first.
Before, I used to work for some restaurant.
Then what was the problem?
Problem was my drinking problem, sir.
So what's the solution now to your problem?
So solution, nothing now. It's okay now.
It's okay, and it will be okay for how long?
How long now? It's we have come over here by Street Providence.
No, Street Providence okay, But why? I mean, when you were here last time, you went away after
At
1
that
year.
time, my mind was not working. Only drinking, I was thinking about.
Now,
Now it's nothing now. No age, no urge, no nothing.
ah,
No, I'm perfect okay.
आता रावतले मग तू
Yes, sir.
पोत्ता थिंगा
No, sir, no, sir.
शुअर तुका पयला मग तुझे गाय बाय कितले असल्या खबर आहा मग तुका
Yes, sir.
मागीर सगळे गेले मरे ते
Yes, okay, गेले, sir. Yes.
Go.
Thank you, sir.
So basically these are the people who are found on streets, bus stops, market areas. They survive on alcohol, tambaku. They will be smoking, mixing something to take the drugs. Asim ko bhej, Asim. Walde. Asim ko bhejo. So it's when you bring them, it's not very good. But as you stabilize them, as it takes some time, as they start eating food, as they understand that somebody cares about them, as they go through the phase of detoxification, or as the medication starts, as they are given, they try to clean the place up. I mean, you can't expect much work from them because their minds are sometimes. It takes time to. Okay, I'm going to show you one more guy. Asim, आप बोलो उधर रुको तो आपके बारे में कुछ बोलो उधर रुको
सर लाइफ का वो
तुम अभी पहला क्या कर रहा था
पहले मैं टैटू ऐसा करता था और वही लाइन में मैं दारू पीने शुरू हुआ और वो पीने के बाद में मैं बीमार पड़ गया बीमार पड़ने के टाइम में मेरा हेल्प करने वाला कौन भी नहीं था मैं बाहर से आया था वो टाइम में मेरा हेल्प करने कौन भी नहीं था और वो टाइम में ये स्ट्रीट प्रोविडेंस एक एनजीओ एंड दानिश सर मिला इधर आया अभी 2 वर्ष होने लगा और सब ठीक है अभी मेरा ऐसा
so basically he is a tattoo guy. He's from Nepal. He's married and he's got a family, but the bugger was drinking and mixing and everything, all masti he was doing. And now he must be about 55 kilos. That time when he came, I think so he was 35 kilos. So the detoxification of alcohol and those who are taking basic drugs is possible with us. If it's in depression, there is only one way to get somebody out of depression, and that is by fixing a timetable, making them get up in time, getting them to do some exercise, do some work, giving them food, keeping them on their toes. And we don't speak that they are in depression. We don't tell them, no, you are an alcoholic, you are a drug addict. No, all the boys here are by themselves. Nobody from outside comes inside to look after them. They look after their own selves. So that is how we have been able to run the rehabilitation. 3 times a week the vehicle comes from Porvorim, whereby they bring food, medicine, and they manage by themselves. With the grace of God, we didn't have any issues in any of our homes among the people. We don't even call them inmates. We call them people, men, homeless street. We don't use the word destitute that often. We say homeless street people. And with the grace of God, it has been working perfectly. We take this video today because we are running short of space. There are more people out there. Our biggest home has been taken away from us after falsely promising us. So you just understand, if people are in depression, where do they go? They will go to any institute. 20, 25, 30,000 is the charges. Here we do it free. 15 days for detoxification and get him all right. Maximum 1 year for mild depression, 2 years for severe depression. And see, I mean, once you're in depression, it's not difficult to come out of depression. You need the willpower, you need to have a timetable, you need to have fixed food, you need to live with people who will talk to you, who will take care of you. You need that human touch. And here we have humanity with people who have come out of depression. It's not an easy job. Some of them cannot control their toilet habits. Some of them have memory loss. Some of them happening. End of the day, I get a report. And I thank God for giving me this opportunity to reach out to such people. If we just convert this home into a old age home, we'll make a lot of money. But that is not the criteria. The criteria is reaching out to people who have nobody to reach out to them. And that is where the commitment of our caregivers, of our volunteers come into effect. So if you know anybody who has a big, if you know anybody who has a big home in any part of Goa where 25-30 people can fit, if you feel yes, you have somebody on the street who is in depression, who is in alcohol, who is in drugs, who requires help and no home is ready to take them, if you know any poorest of the poor Goan families who's suffering from alcohol or suffering from depression, I'm saying maybe we can consider if we get a place. But our job is to do what we are called to do, and that is rehabilitating the homeless street people. We have some boys here. Who are 50% are Goans. I'm sure out of 28 boys or 25 boys here, I think so 50% are Goans, and that shows that people are looking for help to get off the street. People are still on the street, and we require your support, we require your blessings, we require your encouragement. But at the moment we require a big home, as we don't have space to lift up more people, and we require your support in food, in ration, in medication, at petrol vouchers, or through your donations. Because this year I've set a target of trying to rehabilitate 150 people. We were doing 100. We lost a home, but I'm sure we will start this year in a bang, and we will try to accommodate this year 150 homeless people who have no place to go. So in spite of losing a home, I am thinking of looking after more people without having a home. Now, you might find it funny or you might find it stupid, but you never know. God always has better plans. God always has different plans, and if we follow God's plans, then I don't think there'll be any issue in looking after 150 homeless street people, both men and women. And all we ask is your support. So I conclude this video by saying, those who are in depression, there is an opportunity to come out of depression. Those who are in alcohol, there is an opportunity to come out of alcohol. If you are in mild drugs or in some sort of drugs, and we can help you, definitely will help you, on the condition we get a place, we get a big place. But depression can be fought. Most of these guys have been in depression. Most the stories are very sad. If you go to my Facebook page, or you go to Street Providence or Food Bank pages, you will be able to see the people who were in depression and how they are now. So I thank you all. God bless you.